Let's start our warm up with 10 easy burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next exercise is called mountain climbers. Put your hands on the ground. Raise your knees up into plank position. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're going to do elbow planks. Lower yourself down by putting your elbows on the ground. Straighten your legs behind you and lift your hips up away from the ground. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the starting position for 15 Russian twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are called easy sit-ups because when you swing your arms, it is easier to sit up. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is time for round 2. We're going to do all the same exercises, starting with easy burpees. Ready? Go. Get ready for mountain climbers. Ready, set, go. Get in your plank position and hold it for 10 seconds. Ready, go. Next up, we have Russian twist. Ready, go. You made it to the last exercise. It is time for easy sit-ups. Ready, go.